Hey guys, Jonathan from Can-Am, here to take you on your first complete tour of the Can-Am Origin electric motorcycle. Not only is Can-Am officially jumping into the EV game with this vehicle, but we're doing it on two wheels. That's right, today marks the comeback of motorcycles at Can-Am, and it's going to give you a new way to move. Hop in the saddle and harness the nostalgia of the original 1973 Can-Am TNT motorcycle in this modernized dual sport electric model. As you can see, the design pays tribute to classic Can-Am motocross heritage, but with sleek styling that speaks to today and ergonomics that are built around the rider, just like every Can-Am product. The Can-Am Origin boasts high ground clearance and the classic dual sport riding position that facilitates standing up to help you take on the challenges of obstacles and tough terrain. It's as capable on the road as it is off, delivering that Can-Am signature quality, style, and riding experience with a look that's like nothing else around. Full KYB suspension gives you a boost of confidence when you're riding rough. You've got 10 inches or 255 millimeters of suspension travel with an adjustable rear shock that's engineered to take on whatever your off-roading adventure dishes out. Down where the rubber meets the road, you'll find the Dunlop D605 dual sport tires. These versatile tires deliver the perfect pairing of grip and control whether you're on or off the road. At the same time, the Can-Am Origin is designed for agility with a frame architecture that minimizes the number of parts as well as the overall weight, with the battery actually being part of the frame. In fact, it weighs in at just 400 pounds or 181 kilograms, so it stays nice and nimble beneath you. This lithium-ion battery integrated in the frame is manufactured by BRP. It gives you a range of up to 145 kilometers in the city and 115 kilometers in combined conditions, giving you enough range for on and off-road fun. You'll be happy to hear that the Can-Am Origin charges from 20% to 80% in less than an hour using level 2 or mode 3 charging stations in almost any condition. Why in any condition? In real life, every competitor we tested must reduce the charging speed to let the battery cool down when stopped to charge during a ride. So charging takes much longer than what the manufacturers claim, especially when the outside temperature is hot or after a long ride. So what did we do? We liquid cooled the whole system: battery, inverter, motor, and charger. That's an industry-exclusive solution that will ensure that charging is always as efficient as possible. Liquid cooling the entire Rotax e-Power system has many more benefits. Typical electric motorcycles lose performance, and some don't even maintain top speed when they start running hot. But not these ones, thanks to liquid cooling. And because the cells in the battery always operate within an optimal temperature range, battery life is maximized too. We tested the technology in every temperature, from scorching desert heat to northern deep freeze. And the result is a battery that comes with a confident 5-year warranty and 2 years on the vehicle itself. If you want to be confident you're maximizing the lifespan of your battery, charger, and motor, liquid cooling is the solution. Talking about the motor, the Can-Am Origin is powered by the liquid-cooled Rotax e-Power motor, producing instant torque and thrilling acceleration. Then, top it off with the fact that the single-gear transmission doesn't require a clutch to shift gears. All you do is twist the throttle and let the adrenaline flow. To deliver power from the e-motor to the rear wheel, the single-sided swing arm power transmission system has been engineered specifically for the Can-Am Origin. When you're riding off-road, you're gonna come across lots of debris like rocks, gravel, and dust. And those are not chain-friendly materials. The Can-Am Origin includes a chain case to protect your chain and also contains oil to keep the chain lubricated, which all spells less maintenance for you. The high-quality chain delivers a smoother ride, less noise, and better performance. It also has an automatic tensioner to keep the perfect tension on the chain at all times with no adjustments needed. Once you're in the saddle, you'll be able to truly connect with your vehicle, the road, and your ride with this sleek-looking 10.25-inch touchscreen display. This premium, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay lets you tap into a bunch of popular apps, including music, navigation, podcasts, and more. Plus, with the BRP Go app, you'll be able to access important information about your vehicle right from your phone, like the last known battery level of your Can-Am Origin. There's so much to show you here. Make sure you check out the separate walk-around video dedicated exclusively to connectivity. Also helping you connect with your favorite playground and your ride are multiple drive modes, which you can easily select and change depending on your preference or the conditions. Each mode has specific settings for throttle response, traction control, and ABS. Select rain mode when you want slower and more progressive acceleration, combined with maximum traction control. For faster acceleration and a sportier response, check out sport mode. And for better control on unpaved roads and trails, off-road is your mode. It lets you choose your traction control and turns off the ABS. And finally, there's eco mode, which provides smoother acceleration to help maximize your range. Talking about range, have you heard of something called passive regeneration, or regen, on electric vehicles? It uses the vehicle's momentum to feed power back into the battery when you release the accelerator and causes the motorcycle to decelerate. But you'll also find something else that's pretty clever here: active regen. Just rotate the twist grip in the opposite direction and the motorcycle will decelerate more quickly, feeding more power back to the battery than the standard passive regen alone. Both features, passive regen and active regen, can be adjusted independently to 3 different settings: off, minimum, and maximum. Maximum intensity means more power is fed back into the battery and higher deceleration when releasing the twist grip or rotating it in the opposite direction. Another feature that adds to your riding experience is the reverse function. If you're a rider, you've already no doubt had to do the famous waddle to back up your motorcycle. But with the Can-Am Origin, just long press the start button to activate the reverse mode and then twist the throttle forward to start backing up. When you want to customize your ride your way, the Can-Am Origin has you covered. These next-generation Link Nano attachment points allow you to quickly and easily add on a variety of clever and practical Link accessories. A BRP exclusive, Link is a toolless system for near-instant installation of accessories, like a top case, saddlebags, and more. The Can-Am Origin comes in 3 options: bright white, carbon black, and this top-of-the-line Origin 73. Paying homage to the original Can-Am motorcycle that debuted in 1973. The unique sterling silver satin color and exclusive 73 trim and badging will stir up nostalgia while upping your adrenaline. And the distinct wheels, windshield, and signature LED lights add the perfect finishing touches. So, you feel ready to hit the streets or the trails and turn some heads on the all-new Can-Am Origin? Just before you do, make sure to check out our other videos dedicated to enhancing your ride on Can-Am electric motorcycles. From accessories to connectivity and charging. Head to your local Can-Am dealer or visit the Can-Am website for more info. Have a great season and we'll see you out there.